What's up, YouTube? Graylan Stewart here with another video. I am, as you can see, on a mountain. I'm in Vail, Colorado. It's actually about 3 hours from my house. This place, we're on the backside, on the bowls, and it is freaking amazing. Check it out. Isn't that awesome? That's what building a business can do for you. You can go away while your team's making deals happen, and you can have fun a little bit here and there. There's no harm in that. That's the point of building a business, so you can work it on the business instead of in the business. Now, don't get me wrong, I do still handle all the marketing, but I've got people that do everything else. So marketing, to be honest, I mean, that takes maybe 4 or 5 hours a week. So yeah, this place is crazy. You know, I got snowboarding a lot, but I don't go to Vail very often because it's a little further away. I live in the Denver area, and there's a lot of resorts and ski places a lot closer to me. But man, I got to come here more often. Vail, there's nothing else like it around here, in my opinion. That's close within 3 hours of Denver. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Check it out again. I mean, it's freaking amazing. It's so pretty. Of course, we're on the backside, real steep, on a black diamond, deep snow. I snowboard. You can see my board here. Just hanging out. Got a couple of buddies with me. One of them's up there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Yeah, he's heading down. But yeah, I mean, that's what wholesaling can do for you, man. It can give you the freedom that you want if you treat it like a business. But like anything else, if you're just doing a deal or two and you're not really being consistent and you're doing it as a side hustle, which is cool, it's fine, you know, because I know a lot of people that do it as a side hustle. But if you want to make this a real business, it's possible. You can work on your business as opposed to in your business for the most part. You know, technically I can work 4 or 5 hours a week and be happy, you know, and come snowboarding a couple of times a week, which is awesome. So yeah, I definitely recommend, if you're into wholesaling, you're making money, you figured it out, you know, if you get the systems and the processes in place, then you can definitely make it a business. Obviously, if you just want to make, you know, a couple of $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 extra per year, you can do that if you love your job. But if you want to get rid of your job, which a lot of people, you know, the JOB, they consider that just over broke. You know, I mean, that's really what it is. I mean, I'm unemployable. You know, if you want to tell the truth, I'm unemployable. I have enough rentals and I have a marketing company. I have enough between those two companies that I could quit working today and be fine. But I love, you know, I love wholesaling. I love flipping houses. I love and keeping those for long-term wealth, because that's really how you can get wealth in this business, is keeping rentals. You know, because you get all the tax benefits. Obviously, if you don't know about those, I'm not an accountant, but I've gotten a good accountant that knows how to you know, file all that stuff. You definitely can depreciate your house for like 27 and a half years or something crazy like that. I don't even know. Like I said, I don't care. I'm not an accountant. I'm a wholesaler. I'm a buy and hold investor. I'm a flipper. So I'm just a real estate investor in general. So just giving you guys a little motivation, I guess, that you can do whatever you want if you actually treat this as a business, just like anything else. But what else can you do that makes 10, 15, 20 grand for every house that you flip a contract on, right? I mean, that's all we're doing is flipping contracts. It's not rocket science. Anybody can do it. It just takes a little effort. You know, obviously you start out small, figuring it out, working your way up, and eventually you have systems and processes in place to where, you know, that runs your business. Obviously the systems and processes kind of run your business, but you have to have people to run those systems and processes. So that's the hardest part of any business, in my opinion, is finding people. If you can get the right people behind you, man, you never know what you can do. This is my buddy Eric.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, he's a real estate investor as well. This dude's got a lot of rentals and he does some wholesaling as well. But you can have true freedom if you're willing to do the work. That's all it takes, like any other business. You got to have hard work and dedication, and you can make it happen. So let's get it.
Absolutely, I agree.
Like, comment, and share. Thanks a lot.